Hello everyone, my name is Blake Hendricks, and today I will take you through a journey on how to create an autonomous database and deploy it on Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Before getting started, it is important to create an Oracle Cloud free tier account. If you're curious on how to do so, it's fairly easy. All you have to do is type in OCI Cloud free tier into Google and you will be provided with a page that looks similar to this. Once you access this page, you want to click the Start for Free button and go through the process of signing up for OCI. After you have completed this, you will get an email that provides you with credentials that will then allow you to access the Oracle Cloud infrastructure and finally sign in. Once you sign in, you will be provided with a page that looks similar to this. When you want to create an autonomous database, go ahead and click the hamburger menu, Oracle Database, Autonomous Database, and click Create Autonomous Database. This page will allow you to provide basic information for the autonomous database. Let's go ahead and provide our display name. We can call it test. And the database name, we can call it test1. If you happen to create another autonomous database within this tenancy, make sure that the database name is different than the other ones, or it will not allow you to create it. Following this, you want to choose a workload type. For this use case, we are going to select data warehouse. Now we are going to choose a deployment type. For this use case and demo purpose, we are going to select shared infrastructure, which allows us to run the autonomous database on shared Exadata infrastructure. We're going to leave the configuration of the database as is, and we are going to input our password for creating administrator credentials. Make sure you remember this password because you will need it later on. Then it's going to ask us to choose our network access. We can select secure access from everywhere, secure access from allowed IPs and VCNs only, or private endpoint access only. We're going to leave the default check as is. Then we come down to choose licensing in Oracle Database Edition. You must choose a license type, and the license type that I will choose for this demo is bring your own license. And then you can provide an email for any operational notifications or announcements that you may receive within your autonomous database. For this purpose, I'm not going to do that, so all we do is click create. Now, after waiting possibly 60 seconds, you will have a autonomous database finally provisioned. So let's just wait for this to complete. And as you can see, the box in the top left of the screen went from yellow to green, symbolizing that the autonomous database is available and ready. Congratulations, you've created your first autonomous database in a couple of minutes.